Bora. Tá pensando aqui. Ó, fica quieto. Fica quieto, senão eu vou tapar tua boca.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And if you are new here, my name is Will, and this is an episode of Shit Happens, where I share with you unfortunate things that I experience. Hey, how are you? She doesn't speak English, so she hands me her phone to speak to someone who can. Hello? Hey, how are you? Yeah.
A mamãe tá lá esperando.
Okay. You're welcome.
Tá bom, então senta aí, vai.
This is not good. I need her to stop. Now, many of you don't know this, but we drivers love screaming kids. They are our favorite passengers.
Eu não vou falar com essa mulher. Eu vou falar com a minha irmã. Para com isso. Ó, que coisa.
Não fala comigo.
No español.
Não
Lo siento.
fala
Hablas inglés?
comigo.
Fala espanhol.
Translate to Spanish. I need her to behave.
In Spanish, that's necesito que se comporte.
Translate to Spanish. She needs to sit on your lap.
In Spanish, you would say, ella necesita sentarse en tu regazo.
Just so you know, this was a 40-minute trip. 40.
40 minutos.
Did she just find out who the president is? I can't wait to have kids.
Eu trouxe monte de moeda que eu ia dar. Eu ia dar
Now
uma
she's
botada.
sitting on the floor while a new passenger was added to this trip. Did I mention this was a shared ride, by the way? So I give the next passenger a heads up, and then I wait till the girl is sitting back on her grandmother's lap before I start driving again.
Falou que se você não ficar quieto, ele vai tirar você. Ó, para com sapatear no meu colo. Para. Olha o homem ali, ó. Ó, o homem ali, ó, que pega a criança aí, ó. Aí, ó. É isso aí.
You're probably better off on that seat.
Okay, thank you.
You're welcome. Welcome.
Thank you for that.
You're welcome. To be honest with you, I thought this was going to be a total show. But to my surprise, the little girl actually started behaving when he got in. And it takes an even better turn. The grandmother actually tapped my shoulder to show me that she's sleeping. It's good. Gracias. It's okay.
Was it pretty bad?
It was really bad.
I was so weird when I got that message from her. I was like, it never happened. I didn't know what to do. I was like, I almost canceled. It was a little annoying at first. I was texting my friends and like, what do I do? She's like, don't go. And I was like, I didn't know how to cancel.
I thought it would have been a disaster.
I would have totally gotten out. Like if you know, I don't know what to do.
Yeah, for sure.
Thank you, William. I'm right here on the corner.
Okay.
Have
Thank
a
you.
great day. Thanks
He
a
also
lot.
gave me a You're tip, welcome. which Thank is you. awesome. So, thank you, man. Anyway, guys, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed my content, then please subscribe. You can also help this channel out by signing up for Aspiration Bank using my referral link in the description, and we both will get a $25 cash bonus and $25 to donate towards a cause of your choosing.